So I never, ever, ever talk about outfits of the day, but the only reason I'm talking about my outfit today is because it's voting season and my sorority, let's see if you can get the shirt, has a subscription box, and it included back in January, February, I think, these shirts and sweatshirts with a little button that says Vote 2020. But this tee says Stroll to the Polls. It's a serious matter, and it's in our sorority colors, pink and green. So as I plan to early vote today, and I didn't wear these shoes, I wore my tee. I coupled it with some pearls because, I mean, you have to know an Alpha Kappa Alpha woman. We love our pearls. I put on some skinnies, and I had some black heel sandals on. Yes, I wore heels to the polls. I did. I was feeling myself. I was excited about my right to vote. So when I came home, I knew that I needed to get down and dirty and get some work done. And I just put on these black leather sneakers. And my jeans are cuffed. And that's my outfit of the day. Oh, and I forgot to mention this accessory. I voted. Sorry about the lighting in this little nook, but my very first outfit of the day is of me expressing my right to vote. The other half of my heart. Ooh, half of my heart. Oh. I could spend every single day staring into your beautiful blue. Every single day, every single hour. We're growing older together now, but I still feel young. Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I am Tish. I am a full-time working mom of 2. I love to share anything related to productivity, lifestyle, decor, you name it. I consider myself to be a creative, and I love to craft and DIY, do it yourself, and I like to share those things here on my channel. I committed at the beginning of this month, October, to do a video every single day. And I was so excited about doing that. So, you know, I created a calendar to do these videos, and I wanted to try to record maybe 2 days in advance so that I can have something already queued up for you all. But in my my planning and thinking everything was going to go as planned, there has been some life-changing things. I mean, it's 2020. 2020 is life-changing. Hold on. 2020 in itself is life-changing. And you know, you hear things happening on the news and surrounding areas that you don't think would really affect you, or it affects you in some way, but you know, all long story short, within my community where I live, there has been some life-changing moments that happened within the last, I'll say last 2.5, 3 weeks, that almost took everybody off their feet and trying to just manage, you know, grief and, you know, processing everything that has been going on. It's hard. It was hard. It is hard. And within a short period, so I will say the last 3 weeks, there has been maybe 4 deaths. And of people that, I mean, I don't even know how to say it, but they hit our community very hard. And dealing with one, I think, is one thing, but then days later you're faced with another big death. And one of these deaths, you know, gathered national news, and it hit close to home, to where we had to grieve. We had to hold on to each other within our group. And you know, there were so many people tied to that. Just having to comfort other people and be comforted yourself. YouTube was in my mind, but to record and upload and even try to share, hey, here's a shopping haul, it just wasn't going to be appropriate. And it's not the way that I saw the October content calendar to look like. I didn't see it coming, so I had to take a break. I had to be sensitive to what was going on. And as soon as I thought we were in a good path, another tragic death occurred. And you know, with these people being so close to me, I had to just face it that I would not be able to post a video every single day. So moving forward, I am still going to post on YouTube. I'm just not going to do the Vlogtober setup. I am going to post, I know for sure, a minimum of 1 video a week. And I ask that you support the video as much as you can with your likes, comments, and subscribing if you haven't. But I felt like I owed an explanation, because I set out to do something and I really wanted to you know, follow through on it. I just didn't know that life was going to hit as hard as it did. So I am I'm going to post regularly, just not every day, just to give everyone around me time to process, because I'm having to process also. So today is just going to be maybe a vlog. I don't know what'll come of the footage, but I did want to get on here and say hi and let you know why I stopped posting every single day. Okay. Oh, and as you can see, it is now time to stroll to the polls. So I'm not going to talk any politics here, other than something that we all share, and that's the right to vote. That's not just on a national level, but on a, you know, city government, student council, wherever it is you can vote, vote. Listen to what everyone has to say. It's important and it's our right. So if you haven't voted already, make plans to go ahead and vote. So much is going on, and the candidates of your choice needs your support. Okay, let's see what else we have going on today. quick break from work and called in a pizza, something small. I only ate 1.5 slices of that, and I wanted to use the rest of my lunch to do my nails, and I did them. Focus. There they go. Of course, my nails are still ashy from all of the dust and them just being dry. Focus. And now I'm going to clean up my workstation. I have a couple of hours left. I have a couple of hours left to knock out some things for work, and we'll see what the evening holds. I am going to leave in the next hour to go pick up my youngest from school, and back to work I go. I am going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed what you've seen so far today, and I also hope that this vlog cleared up why I had to abruptly stop Vlogtober, but I will be regularly posting like I mentioned earlier, and I am so glad that you tuned into this video. I want you to like the video, leave me a comment below, and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you stick around and hang out with me for a little bit longer. And until next time, friends, have a great day.